Hello, Internet. My name is Nana. I want to show you how to go about with Node.js, how to install Node.js. JS is a Java script runtime where it is run our server or backend. So I'm probably going to use it a lot during our work as we go on with PLP work. So let me show you how do we work. And download Node.js, write Node.js, download, and then highlight it. And the first show of Node.js download, you go to it. Oh, let's check what version I have on my computer. Says it's not recognized. So let me go and download and install it. After we download it, after we click on Node.js download, click enter or session it, shows this version of the website of Node.js. There's LTS and there's a current version. For most beginners, I would prefer we use LTS, recommended for most users. Click and then you click on download. So make sure that you click on this first version, 64-bit window installer dots, open bracket dots, MSI dot. The one that you download without the need of having to unzip it and do all the works. So it comes as a setup of executable. So yes, downloading. It is downloading. Just, let me remove my beautiful text down there. Downloading. Put it faster. This should help us to run our software. Click on it shows here, and then we double click. So that can show our wizard or our setup, how we're going to do next. Accept the license or the policy terms and conditions. We don't even read them, but if you want to, you can read them down. Yes, say blah blah blah. You say no, we don't want to change anything. It goes this, go next. All actually says if you wanna set yes, validating institution of data, blah blah blah. Just reading our system, what does it need to do? Let's go. It's gonna be a little bit of time, but I think it's working on it. I'm gonna try to do 2 videos. One is a simple one of it, where you just follow the instruction of your computer like this one we did. And there's the other one where G manager where we can use a multiple of vision. And it's finished. Remember at first when I was checking, it says no, was not recognized. Let's check now what it's gonna say. Node dash. As you can see now, I've got a vision thing. Put one. Yeah. So I think develop some concerns with another vision where you can use or you see that we have vision of content. Now, if when I use a multiple of vision of the nodes, let's say NV M for window, yes, and the first pop-up of JS is going to show // NV. Click on it. This one help us if say when I use the multiple of vision, then we go, it's going to show us this GitHub, and then we go down, down. See, I will check, and then we're going to look where we download the listed VM on a computer. Page 4. You see how there's a NVM setup.zip. There's a NVM setup.execute exe. I'm going to choose the exe, same as this one, but this one relates to go and unzip applies, and also, you don't like to install this program. So now I'm going to install the Let's check if there's NVN in our computer. VM. So NVM is not synchronized. The computer is what are you doing? Actually, when I load it here, it's asking for yes, television, asking for accepted. See the NVN. Let me try move. See the NVM for Windows is 1.11. Yes. I will say yeah, follow the normal yes. Install. See now, see we have the O and not V20 on 11.1 rating. So one NVM to television. You say yes. By the way, finish. By the way, after so the first one that it's not Node.js, the first one. You don't have to do this one if you don't want. If you do want to find us, you go to sub, say click back to our instruction out, go to VM, where is the vision of this? Let's go to our remember if it not recognize version. So now we have VMV version 1.1.12. Now went to other vision, goes to 16 WAMP, uh, before we had this, before we had what you call vision 20, we had vision 20, not vision, we have get 20, but the NVM have what you call NVM 1.1.2 the NVM, but the node we have 20. When I use the old one NVN 11, NVM, so with the NVM and is the NVM machine, the NVM that running and 16 at least because we have VM 11 FM, so we'll still use the newest one NVM use the new best NVM use set 1.1.12, but it is one that must need to install the one, but remember install it on the so it needs to install and install and run available not available And VM one one oh, it's sort of I forget to put node. So now it's downloading this one that VM install node. Let's get of spam. That's how the software industry. Sometimes you make a small mistake and then it's you, but hopefully it's now download the notification into 1.9 of the 6 page. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So I'm gonna tap here, sorry. Here we don't have power. Load sharing in South five, 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 five. How many did you in the list? I check the list. And I'm still downloading command, pressing the note npm, installation complete. When I use the vision type, when I remember nowadays a new vision that I'm using is one that the current one. Check test the list. It's now for 21. The current use and 124 page. So if I want to use the one that recent one is 21.3 to 1.6.2. And as for me, a permission is yes, you press yes, you press yes. You know, now I'm using the now you're using Node C21 on a code back to the 120 and 20 21 has made it 21 able. Yes. Like, now you connect the one that I recommended to be using the TS1 Vision 20. Thank you very much, guys. I think we're done. Hopefully, we can follow and then publish.